What's up? What's up? It's Justin, Mr. CMB. I'm back with another video. Shout out to everybody who's liking, subscribing, and sharing the channel. I hope you're enjoying this. Look, today's video is going to be a little bit deep, all right? And I want to show you exactly how you can accomplish everything that you want to accomplish. And even though we live in an abundance and the best time to make money, generate money from home, be able to live the lifestyle and the life that you want, that you choose, why most people are broke or in debt or have money problems. And I'm going to show you how to actually solve that and the reasons why this is happening, because I've been on this side where it's been broke, busted, disgusted, homeless, and I've had friends, and even on this side as I'm moving up, who are living in abundance, doing very well, millionaires or whatever other stuff you call like that. But anyway, this is the reason why. And I'm going to go through 3 reasons why. One is because they don't believe in themselves and they don't believe in their talents. What do I mean by that? So you could say that, let's say that you want to do something. Let's say you want to make YouTube videos. But you have talents. Like, we all have talents and we all have gifts. Now, the problem is a lot of people will say, oh, well, I don't want to make money from it. Oh, I don't really want my channel to be big. Oh, I don't really want to, do this for money. What you don't realize is you're being extremely selfish. And that's why you're broke. And that's why you're messed up. And that's why you're not getting and receiving anything that you want. Because you got to understand, it is a crime for you to not share your talents to as many people as possible, because you don't know what you can do or who it'll reach and how it can change the trajectory of their lives. That's why you don't. That's why you're not getting anything. That's why you don't live in abundance. Like, for instance, I bought a real estate course when I didn't have the money. I maxed out my credit card, and it was about $2,000, and it wasn't the best course, but that thing changed the trajectory of my life, and it really inspired me to go a different direction as far as like learning more about finance. How can I actually do this? To my first big check, which was $7,000, and my next big check, which was $11,000. And these things changed my life and trajectory. So just imagine if that person never made that course and never put it in front of me, because they mass marketed like crazy, how it changed the trajectory of my life. And obviously they're living in abundance and they're doing very well because that happened. But the reason why is because you're being selfish. I don't want to put it out because I don't really want to make money from it. I don't want a lot of people to see this. That is selfish. And that's why you don't have anything. And that's why you don't grow. And that's because for some reason, you feel like you could do things low key, subtle, and you can still grow. But that's not the way the world works. That's why you're broke. That's why you don't get anything in life. Is because you're selfish and you don't want to feel like you're being bigger. And you know why you don't want to feel like you're being bigger? Because you don't have confidence in yourself. And that's why. That's why you don't have anything. Because you don't want to share your gifts. You don't want to maximize what you're doing. And that's why you are where you are at. All right. Number 2 is because of focus. Now, even though we have an abundance, many ways using this phone, or even without this phone, you can make money. There's just a lot of things going on and you don't know how to lock in and focus. I can literally look back on my life and the times where I've made significant progress in a short amount of time. And that's because nothing else mattered to me. I remember when my credit was fucked up, like nothing else mattered to me. I found credit repair. I learned everything I could about credit. I picked specific cards I wanted to get, even though I didn't qualify for them. And I'm telling you, in like 2 months, things just changed. I was able to get credit card offers. My score jumped up to like a 700, past 700. And I was in like the low 500s. And I was able to really maneuver and uproot my life. Same thing happened when I wanted to move to New York. I had a specific goal. Things happened in like 2 weeks. And like, I'm telling you, this was like a big goal. I went from like here to here in like 2 weeks because nothing else mattered to me. Even when I wanted to move here, nothing else in Miami, nothing else mattered to me. You have to lock in, block everything out. Going to bars, complete waste of fucking time. Going on dates, complete waste of fucking time. Going out to hang out, to bullshit, to watch sports. And I don't mean to curse, but watching sports, watching the game. Who gives a fuck about how many yards someone got you? If you're not making money, if it isn't adding value to your life outside of entertainment, why are you wasting time on it when you have things you want to accomplish for yourself in your life. They're doing them and you need to do yourself. And the thing is, you lack focus. Everything distracts you. If you're not on this phone to make your life better, whether that's taking in information that you can apply to your life or use it to actually add value to others and as a byproduct make money, then it's a complete waste of time scrolling on this phone 4 or 5 hours a day. You lack focus. And when I mean focus, I'm talking about extreme focus to where tunnel vision, nothing else matters to me but getting this result. And right now I'm living my life this way because I'm going to another direction. I have a new goal and I'm going to that direction. So I'm not going out, not going to dinner, not doing these things. You're not watching sports. Like none of that shit matters to me because I'm focused right now. And I have a big goal that I want to accomplish over the next few months. All right. And number 3 is you just don't believe in yourself. You don't believe you can get to where you want to go. You just don't. You don't believe that you can actually accomplish your goals. And the reason why is because it's a personal problem. Like you don't really want it. Like if you really want something, you'll get it. And most people don't want it. They lack the work ethic, and more so than work ethic, they actually lack, their actions don't mean what their words. People say they want something, but if you look at directly to the actions, it doesn't correlate. It doesn't correlate or add up. Like if you want to lose weight or if you want to get in tip-top shape, you need to go to a gym, get personal training, work on your diet, focus on that. Like even now, like I've always been in great shape my whole entire life, but I'm taking my body to the next level. So what did I do? I joined a gym. And it's not a cheap gym at all either. It's a top-notch gym. And I did that strategically for a few different ways. And I don't need to join a gym. I have a gym in my building. But I did that because this gym has everything you could possibly need. It has sauna. It has hot and cold baths. It has anatomy. I just gave the gym away. But it has specific things in there that I need that could take me to the next level as far as just body composition, things like that, being able to train and do the things like that I need to do, getting my fitness pal, connecting that so I can actually track my food. And I'm plant-based, so I'm dead serious with this and taking my body to the next level. And it requires an investment. So now I'm attached and emotionally involved into my outcome. So you have to be emotionally involved into your outcome. That's why this something for nothing doesn't work. That's why people who get on the internet and try to get everything for free, they don't get anything. They stay in the same position because that's not how the universe works. You're either going to trade time, you're either going to trade money, you're going to invest something, and you need to do that because that's synergy. That's how everything works. It's synergy. You give to get, you give to get, you give to get. Most of you just want to get. And that's why you don't get. You don't get. And that's how it works. And that's why you're in the same position you were last year. You're in the same position you were 2 years ago. You're in the same position that you were 5 years ago. And you wonder what's wrong with your life is because you're not willing to give yourself. You're not willing to focus, and you're not willing to share your gifts. And that's why you stay broke, even though we live in an abundance of opportunity, that we live in a time to where we have more opportunity than we've ever had in the world. Yet we have people broke, in debt, in solitude, dusty, more now than ever. And this is the reasons why. But I know you can change it. That's why I made this video. Those 3 steps, if you follow that, you could change your life. It won't even take long. Now, I'm not going to say it's overnight because you got to work on your mind. You got to work on a few different things. But if you do need to make money, if you want to get in real estate, you can click the link below, schedule a call with me. I'll show you how to wholesale auction properties from home. It's a 12-week program. We go into detail. Me and my team, we help you build the actual business. Now, don't sign up or don't schedule a call if you don't have a job or consistent income. You need to get the other thing, how to not be broke in 8 days. And I have some other stuff for you. If you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe. I love y'all. Mr. CMB, I'm out. Peace.